Hi. There's not a whole lot to report today. We've had a fairly mild week. The tomatoes are ripening up. You can see that more of them are ripening. Don't seem to be having that problem with the blossom end rot, right, on the rest of them. They are just continuing to grow, but nothing special is happening. I don't know if you can see it right now. We've got ash coming in. There's some fires east of us, and it's destroying the air quality, and it's very smoky smelling outside, and there's ash falling on everything. I don't know if ash is good for a bucket garden or not. Isn't that what creates acid rain? Don't they make soap out of ash? This doesn't seem like a good situation to me, but I'll water it. I'll keep them hydrated. Today was supposed to be really, really warm. It was supposed to be in the 90s or right around 90 for us, but I think the smoke in the air is filtering the sunlight, so it's not so bad. It's in the mid 70s or so. Generally, the plants seem to be doing fine. One regret I do have, and you can't really see it, maybe you can here, is I always thought these cages were too tall. They were ridiculously tall. They looked really silly when they were 4 times taller than the tomato plants that I put in it. But now they've outgrown it and they're beginning to droop over. And the tomatoes are growing up and they're getting heavier, so they're drooping. And I'm really kind of amazed at how sturdy the stalks are on the tomato plants. The beans, well, I don't know. I keep saying the same thing about beans. Beans are weird. I don't know how to make them grow. I've got little tiny leaves and they're growing beans, and I wish I had a great big bush of beans, but I've got tomatoes that are doing well and I'm happy for that. So anyhow, not a whole lot else to report. The garden is just growing. It's not time for harvest. It's just water it periodically and keep them happy. So anyhow, if you've got any suggestions or comments or commiserations, whatever it is, let me know. And if you liked this, go ahead and subscribe down below. I'll keep you up to date. We can see each other on the next video, and leave me some comments and like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.